All right, so you're telling me you want to get fit but don't have a gym membership, no fancy equipment, and honestly, you don't even know where to start? I got news for you. You don't need any of that. Your body is your best tool. And today, I'm going to show you 8 bodyweight exercises that'll hit every muscle and get you in shape anywhere, anytime. No equipment, no excuses. Trust me, by the time you're done, you'll feel like you've unlocked cheat codes to your fitness. And I know you're thinking, wait, is this really going to work? Oh, it works. And if you stick around, I'll prove it to you. First up, the push-up. Now don't sleep on this one. It's a classic for a reason. Push-ups work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all in one move. But here's the trick. Focus on control. Don't just drop and push up. Lower your body slow and steady, then power back up. If you can't do a full push-up yet, that's cool. Drop to your knees and build your way up. Start with sets of 10 to 15 reps, but make sure you're pushing to failure. Push-ups are one of the best moves to build upper body strength. And guess what? They get easier the more you do them, so don't skip this one, all right? Next, let's hit those legs with squats. And I'm talking about full body squats. None of those half reps, all right? Your feet should be about shoulder width apart, and as you lower yourself down, push your hips back like you're about to sit in a chair. Keep your chest up, core tight, and make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Squats are killer for your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and even your core. Want to level up? Hold for a second at the bottom or try pulsing squats for that extra burn. But don't be out here skipping leg day, we all know that's a bad look. Now we're gonna get into the plank. Simple but brutal if you do it right. Get into a forearm plank, keeping your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. None of that sagging back or popping hips, keep it tight. The plank is a core crusher. It strengthens your abs, lower back, and even shoulders. But here's the thing, don't just hold it for 10 seconds and call it a day. Challenge yourself. Start with 30 seconds, build to 45, and then hit a full minute. Your core will thank you and you'll be feeling that tightness in no time. All right, time to hit those legs again. Lunges are where it's at. They're great for balance, strength, and hitting those glutes and quads. Start standing, step forward with one leg, lower yourself until both knees are at 90 degrees, then push back up. Don't rush, keep control the whole time. For extra fire, try walking lunges if you've got the space, or reverse lunges to switch things up. Just keep that form clean, no wobbling or shaky knees. You'll feel this one burning in all the right places. Now, burpees. Love them or hate them, they're a full body blast. Start standing, drop down into a push-up, hop your feet back in, and explode up into a jump. It's cardio, strength, and endurance all in one move. Yeah, it's tough, but it'll get your heart pumping like nothing else. Start with a set of 10 and see how you feel. I guarantee it'll take your breath away in a good way. Want an extra challenge? Add a push-up or a tuck jump at the top? Get after it. All right, time to work on those glutes and lower back with glute bridges. Lie flat on your back, knees bent, feet planted. Drive through your heels to lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a second, then lower down slowly. This is great for building strong glutes and a solid core, and it's low impact, so it's easy on the joints. Want a challenge? Add a resistance band around your knees or lift one leg at a time. Next up, mountain climbers. This one's gonna get your heart rate up while working your core, arms, and legs. Start in a plank position and bring your knees toward your chest one at a time as fast as you can. Keep that core tight and don't let your hips sag. Do this for 30 seconds, rest, and then repeat. You'll feel the burn in your abs and legs, plus get a great cardio boost. Mountain climbers are perfect for torching calories and building endurance. Last but not least, we've got the Superman hold. Lie face down, arms and legs extended. Now lift both off the ground, squeezing your back, glutes, and shoulders. Hold for a few seconds, then release. You're basically flying, but this exercise is all about strengthening your lower back and glutes. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, then repeat. It's a great way to balance out all that core work and prevent injury by strengthening your back muscles. And there you have it. 8 killer bodyweight exercises that'll have you feeling stronger, more confident, and ready to take on anything. You don't need equipment, you've got everything you need right here. If you're ready to level up your fitness game, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping workouts, tips, and hacks every week to keep you motivated and pushing toward your goals. And hey, don't keep me waiting. Subscribe now and let's crush these goals together. Let's get it.